R.W. and Mary Nelson's North Star has always been to help people. They founded Kemin Industries in 1961 on a foundation of science, imagination, and a relentless commitment to improving the quality of life for people at home and around the world. What started as a family farm in Iowa has grown into a global hand in human innovation, touching more than 3.8 billion lives every day. Not only does Kemin provide products that improve our health, the work we do has also become an integral part of local economies around the world, empowering communities by employing farmers and scientists in many countries. Each year, we partner with thousands of farmers to grow specialty crops, and one of the most significant examples is with marigold farmers in India. FloraGLO's key ingredient comes from marigolds, which would not be possible without our symbiotic relationship with the farmers.
You need 8 to 10 laborers, agricultural laborers for harvesting. So we do the 10,000 acres of cultivation. Approximately around 100,000 agricultural laborers are involved in this operation, and they are all benefited by this operation. So it is helping for their livelihood and improve the quality of their life.
Our farmers are our key ingredient in making superior products. The philosophy is simple. If they live better, our products become better.
ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕರೆಗೆ 10 ಟನ್ನು ಹೂ ಬೆಳತ್ತಿದ್ದು ₹2 ಕಾಲು ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ₹6.5 ಕೊಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಓದಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು 7 ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಎಕರೆ ಅದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಮೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ 7 ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಎಕರೆಗೆ ಚೆಂಡು ಹೂನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
By purchasing from these farmers directly, we help contribute to their annual incomes. This allows the farmers to provide a better quality of life for their families, as well as create optimal education opportunities for their kids to excel in fields beyond the field.
For our company, no matter what products we end up selling or locations we end up deciding to manufacture in, what I know will always be guided by is improving people's lives. That's been the basis of this company since my grandma and grandpa decided they wanted to do something different with their lives. So I know that every decision will be guided by, is this a way to improve people's lives, and how can we do better? Whether that's our footprint, or whether that's a salary for a job, or a new product that we're developing. And that's a company that I'll be proud to be a part of for a long, long time.
These are our partners in building a better world, because when we invest in the world, anything is possible.
So when I think of Kemin and how we're able to touch half the world's population with our products and services, it really makes me feel like each one of us can make a difference.
It's exciting when you think about how Mary and R.W. Nelson started the company back in 1961, and then when you hear both of them as well as the rest of the family talk about the vision for the future, it means a lot.
The thing I like most about working at Kemin Human Nutrition and Health is the talented, creative, scientific experts that I get to work with every day.